Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is March 17th, 2026, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly where and how to buy Ahrefs at a fraction of the original price using a group buy SEO service. Now if you're running a website, doing SEO, or managing clients, you already know that tools like Ahrefs can cost anywhere from $99 to $400 per month. So today I'm introducing you to Supreme SEO, one of the most popular and trusted group buy SEO tool platforms out there. With Supreme SEO, you can get access to premium SEO tools like Ahrefs, Semrush, Moz, and many more, all at a massively discounted price. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump right in. Once you're on the homepage, click on the register button to create your account. You'll be taken to the registration page where you need to fill in a few basic details: your full name, your email address, and a password of your choice. Once you've filled everything in, go ahead and hit the register button. It's super quick. Takes less than a minute. After registering, you'll see a message asking you to check your email for a verification link. So go ahead and open your inbox. Look for an email from Supreme SEO. It should arrive within just a few seconds or minutes. Open that email and click on the Verify Email Address button inside it. Once your email is verified, go back to supremeseo.com, log in with your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Inside the platform, you'll find a wide range of group buy SEO tools available for purchase. We're talking about industry-leading tools like Ahrefs, Semrush, Moz, Majestic, SpyFu, BuzzSumo, and so many more. Once you've selected Ahrefs, click on it, and you'll be directed to the checkout page. Here you'll see a summary of what you're purchasing along with the pricing details. Review your order, make sure everything looks good, and then proceed to checkout. Now here's something I really appreciate about Supreme SEO. They offer multiple payment options to make it convenient for users worldwide. I'll be paying via PayPal today. Just select your preferred payment method, complete the payment, and you're done. Once the payment goes through, you'll be automatically redirected back to your dashboard. Navigate to the Active Subscriptions tab, and you'll see your Ahrefs subscription listed there, active and ready to use. You'll get full access to Ahrefs features including Site Explorer, Keywords Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, and more, all working perfectly, all at a group buy price. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next one.